My name is Wesley Wright, and I am the founder and CEO of Money Fitness Accounting Limited. We decided to come and have a discovery with you guys because, first of all, it would be a personal approach, dealing face-to-face with human beings, delving down a little bit more in detail as to what we actually wanted our website to do. So the approach that you guys have was really good, and that's what intrigued me as well. So I found today's session really good. The team were great, the information was great that we found, the questions that were asked of us were very good questions. Individuals that were dealing with us were clearly interested in us, which was really good. They were personable, they knew what they were doing. There's lots of things about the discovery I enjoyed today. I think for me, actually sitting down away from my office environment with my key team members, actually focused on the project and having people taking us through a really considered process. I really enjoyed that. The most beneficial thing about today's discovery process was being in an environment that was focusing on one thing. So for me personally, because I deal with so many different things on a daily basis, to actually be dealing with one thing and having focus on that one thing and being guided through that process was very valuable. I think one of the highlights for me of today's discovery session was looking at what we offer from our clients' perspective, looking at the pain points from our clients and distilling down to identify those pain points so they're clear and concise, and then how we can deliver on a successful answer for those pain points for our clients. The clarity of that, I think, was really helpful for us. If you're thinking of having a discovery day, I heartily recommend it.